Love this fan. It's actually too quiet for me though. I like a little more white noise to cover the sound of my husband snoring lol. Seriously though, it's a great looking fan. Love the gray blades. Nothing to complain about. I am going to buy more for the other rooms. Love the look and airflow quality. The looks makes it blend with our home decor very nice, and our old fan broke on one setting. Low. So it's great to have the option to change the airflow amount. The setup took about an hour from taking THR old one down to installing this one. Overall not a bad install process. Nust got in installed, so no sure how the function quality is. But the look is very nice, so thumbs up for that. I love this fan. I looked for a long time before I made this purchase. I'm glad I did. It looks great in my living room, nice lighting, easy to install, no wobble or noise. We love this fan. Great lighting and beautiful design. Quality construction, beautiful fixture. The lights have a cream exterior. I highly suggest purchasing a remote as it really helps use the fan while up high. Pictures show fan installed with factory installed extension, not the shorter or longer extensions. It moves air very well in our 23 feet x 35 room with vaulted ceilings. Click link in description for more reviews.